Welcome to this setup guide for the Epson EcoTank ET-2811, a 3-in-1 printer that lets you print, scan, and copy, all in one smart, compact design. This printer's biggest advantage is its EcoTank system, which uses refillable ink tanks instead of cartridges. That means more prints, less waste, and huge savings on printing costs. In this video, we'll walk you through the unboxing, ink filling, setup, and connection process step by step, so you can get your printer ready in just a few minutes. Let's start with what's inside the box. You'll find the Epson ET-2811 printer, a power cable, the setup paperwork and quick start guide, and 5 ink bottles, 2 black and 3 color inks, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Please note, no USB cable is included in the box because this printer is designed to connect wirelessly through Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct. The printer has a flatbed scanner on top for copying and scanning documents, and a paper tray at the back for loading plain or photo paper. On the front, you'll see the ink tanks, each clearly labeled for color. The control panel includes buttons for power, Wi-Fi setup, and ink charging, along with status indicator lights. Now let's fill the ink tanks. Open the tank cover. Take the ink bottle labeled black and carefully insert it into the black ink tank opening. It will fit securely and start filling automatically, no squeezing needed. Once filled, remove the bottle and close the tank lid. Repeat the same process for the cyan, magenta, and yellow tanks. Make sure each bottle goes into the correct color slot. The design prevents mixing colors by mistake. When all tanks are full, close the cover and wipe any spills if needed.